how to cancel Amazon Prime membership trial. So if you actually had a trial on Amazon Prime and then you want to cancel that trial again because you don't want to be charged again, right? To do this, all you have to do is from Amazon website, I would recommend just go to amazon.com, type in / and type in Amazon Prime. So the bottom line is amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Just go to this page. Here you will see all the details regarding the subscription. Now in my case, I don't have subscribed to the trial, so you're seeing subscribe option. But if you have already subscribed it, then here you'll find the option to cancel your premium plan as well. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then cancel your Amazon Prime trial. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.